Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I literally just woke up and this morning I don't know if I'm gonna go to work today, but I might. I've got a lot of other projects to work on. But focus. This morning I'm going to be showing you guys what teeth whitener I use. I'm gonna be using this whitening kit. It's only like $15 at Target. And it's really easy to use. I've used it before. It's probably been like 2 years since I've whitened my teeth. But, you know, $14. I don't have to take a trip to the dentist. And it's an hour. I mean, come on. Whitening my teeth in bed, y'all. This is the most flattering angle. Okay, but anyway, so I'm gonna open this box. I'm just scraping the bottom. Take the plastic off. So when you open the kit, you're going to get some accelerator rinses, and then I don't remember it coming with 2 trays. That's why there's instructions. It's been like 2 years since I've used this one, so I don't remember using it. It's really good. I got good results. Oh, you use both trays. Duh. Okay. I would. I'm just gonna put this second tray in here so I don't lose it. And the first step is going to be to use this accelerator rinse. I have a cup over here, so I'm just gonna spit my stuff in the cup. Don't think I'm weird. Oh, there's tea. There's green tea left in it. I'm so weird. Okay. First, I use the accelerator rinse. It says to swish it around for 30 seconds. I hope I don't have to use the entire pack. It's like kind of full. I can't fit all that in my mouth. It's kind of hard to break off. I'm trying not to rip it off. Okay. Okay. The Impossible package is open. It's not the most pleasant taste. I forgot to show you my teeth before. So this is my teeth before. So they're not horrible. I've never had braces, but I want to get braces one day. Just to fix up like this tooth and like down here. But right now I go between a charcoal toothpaste and a Colgate like beautiful white. I don't remember. I will have to show you in a little bit. Second step is the first whitening tray. So I'll come back in 25 minutes. I can't talk very well when I have these in my mouth. Okay. And then you're supposed to like push on it for 5 seconds. Okay, here's the bottom. And we do the same thing. So for like 5 seconds. I should probably do more than that. I'm gonna let this sit for 25 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and show you the rest of the process. I want to set an alarm on my phone. 25. 25. Okay. I'll see you in a little bit. Okie dokie. This just went off. Then I'm gonna take this one. This is not the best taste. It's pretty gross. So we just repeat the tray step from earlier. So we have to wait another 25 minutes. Another 25 minutes. See you a little bit. Hey friends, so I can take these out now. I just went and took a bath and took a bath. I just finished with the last tray and I took a shower, took a bath while I was doing it. Multitasking, you know. So this is the last step. 30 seconds. So we're gonna open it and there's like, off the last tray I did, I took it off and there was like all this gooey stuff on it from the tray. That's never happened before. The last time I used this, I remember it did not happen. So now I'm gonna use the whitening rinse and you have to switch around for 30 seconds as well. Just trying to open it really slowly so I don't like pour it everywhere. You guys can tell. Anyway, okay, so here's the whitening rinse. Okay, my thoughts. The little freaking little packets of liquid, those are disgusting. They're so gross. I have got like mascara on my eye, but the whitening rinse was by far the most disgusting one. It was fucking gross. But you know, I think that, let's see what they look like now. Yeah. I guess I would recommend the whitening kit. I like it a lot. I would definitely recommend the 1 hour whitening kit. I got it from Target for like $15 and some cents with tax. And yeah, it's a good kit. I think that they have like the Colgate ones that are like the same price now, but I don't know. I went with the off-brand because it's still a little cheaper. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you guys check back soon. I know I haven't made videos in a while, but I've been really busy trying to get adult things going, you know, real life things. So thanks for watching. Till next time. Oh. Bye. 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 Give me a kiss. Oh, what a sweet girl. What a sweet girl. Okay. She's a fat dog. If anybody has any really good tips about how dogs can lose weight, leave them in the comments below.